Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. You are in the right place to improve on your sewing skills with series of DIY projects we will be bringing to you. Make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Today we'll be discussing about my favorite sewing tools. As you can see, there are numerous and various useful tools that can make every sewer's life much easier. But today I'll be showing you all my favorite sewing tools I can't do without. My favorite cutting tools. These are my favorite cutting tools, which include fabric scissors, a paper scissors, and a rotary cutter, a snip, and the seam ripper. As we all know, seam ripper is used for undoing stitches sewn in the wrong place. Everybody tend to make mistakes. You have to keep one at hand while working on your sewing project. And this is a snip. It's used for making holes and cutting out thread. This especially is used for cutting thread when working on your sewing project. And this is a rotary cutter. I love this rotary cutter because it makes it easier to cut out fabrics. It's very easy to use, and make sure you are careful when using your rotary cutter in order to avoid damaging your fabric. It's very easy to use. And these are a pair of scissors. Scissors is very useful when cutting important paper. These are fabric scissors, useful for cutting fabrics as well. These are all my cutting tools. My favorite measuring tools. My favorite measuring tools consist of a pattern master, armhole curve, measuring tape, a ruler, and a curve. As we know, measuring tape is necessary for accurate working and sizing, and it's necessary to make sure our dresses fit the wearer perfectly. A pattern master. Pattern master is important in drawing, especially when making out a pattern paper. When drafting a pattern paper, it's very important to get a smooth line. And our armhole curve is used for drafting our armhole. And to get a perfect and accurate curve, you have to make use of our armhole curve. And ruler. Ruler is important for drawing a straight and perfect line. And our hip curve as well is very necessary when drafting a male pant. We use our hip curve to draft out our hip. And also our tailor's chalk, part of my favorite sewing tools. There are varieties and different colors of tailor's chalk to choose from. And office pin is also important and part of my favorite sewing tools. It helps to hold fabrics together while stitching. And our hand sewing needle. Today we can do almost everything on our sewing machine, but it gets to a time when you need to hand stitch. This is when you need to use your hand sewing needle. Sewing iron is part of my favorite sewing tools. I can't do without sewing iron. On our sewing machine needle, there are varieties of sewing machine needle to choose from, or you have to choose the one that best fits your sewing machine perfectly. And this is a safety pin. Very important while sewing. It's used for threading elastic and cord through channel. Let's talk about our drawing tools. For us to be able to draft out our pattern, we need some basic drawing tools, which include our pencil, a biro, a cleaner or eraser, sharpener, a marker, and a tracing wheel. Thank you for watching this video. If you find any value in this video, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notification, and like this video. It really makes a huge difference. Thank you.